Hey everybody, in this video I am going to show you how to get colors off images without Photoshop. And the way we're going to do it is use this website called imagecolorpicker.com. And when you load up this website, first thing that pops up is like a test image. Right now there's a picture of a rusted out car in the desert, and down here this little guy, it shows you, the hex color and the RGB color for wherever you click. So if I clicked in the sky, that pixel would be this color and this color. If I clicked in the desert, wherever I click, it gets that color. And it scans the image and it finds the color that's seen the most. Here it's this dark blue color. It also finds other colors that, that appear often, and puts them down here in the color palette, so you can click on them if you want to use one of those colors. Anyway, so there's three things this website does. It lets you upload your own image, and you can get the color off of that. It lets you type in the URL of a website, and it'll bring that website up, and you can get a color off a website. Or if you have the URL of an image, you can paste that in here, and it'll open that image up here and you can get a color off of that. So I'm going to show you how to do all three. Okay, so number one, we're going to upload an image. Alright, so I've noticed that if you try to upload a super big image, it fails. Like I have a big image of me, see it's 62K, and it doesn't work. When I resized it to be like a smaller size, like the 1700 one, then it works okay. So I just can't take really, really big images. So if yours doesn't work for some reason, resize it. Anyway, so here's a picture of me. The most dominant color is this gray color. And then you can click anywhere you want, my shirt, the grass. It'll get you whatever the hex color is. Hex, RGB, and you can use that on your webpage. Alright? So that's uploading an image from your computer. Next, URL to a website. So let's just use my website. Alright. MrTopel.com. You can copy and paste also. It'll probably work better. You probably won't make an error that way. Anyway, so here's my website in this little box. So if you wanted to get like this green color, you can click on that. Here it is down here. Or if you want this gray, or the yellow, or whatever, that's how you get colors off a website. And then if you have a URL to an image, so let's go to Google Image Search. Let's search up something. Spider-Man, good. Alright, here I like this guy. So I'm going to right click, and I could open it up in a new tab and copy the URL, or I could use copy image address. I will do that. And that gets the URL straight away. See, I could have just opened a new tab and then clicked here and copied it, but it saves you a step if you right click and do copy image address. Anyway, so I'm going to paste that in here. Click take image, and here he is. Most dominant color is this gray. As you can see, all the buildings behind him. Then you have like the sky colors. You have his blue. Anyway, you can click wherever you want, get whatever color you need. Alright, that's how this website works. It's pretty useful. And then I'm just going to show you an example of how you would want to use this. So here I have a website, a web page. It has an image. It has 4 divs. You can't see the divs yet. And it has a style sheet link. Here's your style sheet, just nothing on it yet. Alright. The first thing I'm going to do is style these divs a little bit. So I'm going to copy and paste since I don't want to feel like typing. I'm going to style each of them with a background color. Color 1, color 2, color 3, and color 4. That matches their classes. Color 1, color 2, color 3, and color 4. And they're all black right now. So there's that. And then you still see there's nothing showing up. So let's show you why. If they don't have a width and a height, they're not going to show up. So we better give them a width and a height. So here I'm going to style all divs at the same time. I'm going to give them a 50% wide width. And I'm going to give them a height of like 100 pixels. So here they are over here. 4 divs, they're black, 50% wide. All right. Let's center them. So here's how you center them. So you want to set the sides to be auto, the left and the right. Now it's centered. There's your 4 divs. And I want to put some space between them. So I'm going to add some margin on the bottom. Okay. Now here they are. They're nice and spaced out. All right. I'm going to also style the image. I want to center that too. So I am going to first, I'm going to change an image to a block element. So a div is a block element. So I'm going to make an image a block element. I'm going to do that by using display block. Then I can use margin right and margin left auto, or I can just use margin auto since I don't care about space above and below it. So we have the image and we have the 4 divs. I'm going to set each of these 4 divs to one of the colors in the image. Okay. So let's see. Let's get this image and put it into our color picker. Upload my image, and I have this image inside, where do I have it? Oh yeah, web design class, projects, project 97, there it is. So here's the Google image, and I'm going to click on this red image. I'm going to grab the hex color and paste that here. So that color is there. Then, just to be different, I'm going to get the yellow color. I'm going to use RGB. There's that color. And I'll do the green. I'll get the hex for that one. And I'll get the RGB for the blue. Just for fun. You could do them all in RGB. You could do them all in hex. It does not matter. So here's all the colors from the Google image, the Google logo. All right. That's it.